Have you seen channels explode with millions of views, but you never actually see the creator's face? Well, get ready, because today I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you exactly how one channel absolutely crushed it, all without ever stepping in front of a camera.
Yes!
From brainstorming viral ideas to crafting a flawless video, I'll walk you through every step. And the best part? We're doing it all with free tools. You won't need expensive gear, just this video. Ready to unlock the secrets to Faceless YouTube success? Let's dive in. The Dark Needle, a hidden YouTube hit. Seriously, imagine a YouTube channel that got over 330,000 subscribers with only 64 videos in less than a year.
Really?
It's crazy, right? That's The Dark Needle. Lots of their videos got hundreds of thousands of views, and some even reached millions. Their secret? Awesome self-help content. What makes The Dark Needle so popular? The Dark Needle is all about helping guys. They talk about building confidence, getting better at dating, and attracting women. Each video tells a great story, clears up common myths with simple psychology tricks, and gives useful exercises to get your mind right. They also use cool, simple pictures that make their videos really interesting. If you're thinking about a YouTube channel where you don't show your face, this idea could make you a lot of money.
Yay!
Make money and use free AI tools. This type of content is not just fun, it also makes money. And guess what? You can make these videos using completely free AI tools. Want to check if a channel is making money? Get browser add-ons like Nexf and YouTube Monetization Checker from the Chrome Web Store. Just install them, open the channel page, and you'll see if they're earning. The Dark Needle makes money, so this type of channel is a real opportunity.
Got it.
Your guide to making popular videos, step by step, ready to make your own videos that go viral. We'll show you how to do everything from finding great topics to creating your finished video.
Let's do this.
Finding great ideas first, you need awesome video ideas. You can look at what similar channels are doing, but we have a special prompt that makes it super easy.
There's a simpler solution.
You'll find this prompt in our school community. Check the first link on the video description. Just copy and paste it into a text tool like ChatGPT. Tell it how many topics you want, like 20, and it will give you a list. If you don't like any, just ask for more. Writing awesome scripts. Once you have a topic, it's time to write your video script. There's another useful prompt in the same folder that helps create scripts that are usually 2,500 to 3,500 words long. Perfect for videos that are 8 to 15 minutes. This prompt breaks the script into smaller parts, which is helpful if your text tool has limits. Just paste your chosen topic where it says, and the AI will write the first part. To get the next parts, just type a specific command, like continue, until it says end of script. Read it over and change anything you need to. If you're serious about creating and monetizing a successful faceless YouTube channel, I invite you to my free community. The link is the very first one in the description below. Making great voiceovers. For the talking part, you have options. If you don't want to spend money, Clipchamp gives you unlimited voiceovers for free. Or check out 11 Labs, which has many voices, including a new version 3 with cool emotional sounds. To find the right voice, look through their voices and choose what you like. Language, accent, gender, age. Version 3 is cool, but if it gives you trouble, you can go back to an older version. Change the settings until the voice sounds just right. Showing your story with pictures. The Dark Needle uses those cool, simple pictures. You can find some on websites like Flaticon and Vexy.
Crazy story.
But it's often easier to make your own with AI. We have a special image prompt in our school classroom section that will give you ideas for images for each part of your script. Just say how many images you need, like 20. Paste the script part, and the AI will give you ideas. For making the pictures, Google's Image FX is a free and excellent tool. Put in your image idea, choose a tall size, and create your pictures. Sometimes, pictures might have grayish backgrounds instead of black, even if your prompt said black. ChatGPT usually follows instructions well, but for other tools like Image FX, you might need to clean them up. Photopea makes it easy. Open your picture, use the magic wand tool to select the background, and delete it. Save it as a PNG for a clear background. To make it even simpler, try adding transparent background right into your image ideas.
Yes, I will do that.
Adding a character. You don't have to. If you want your videos to have a special look like the Dark Needle, you can add a consistent character. This is totally up to you, but it can help people remember your channel. Search Vexy for simple teacher shapes doing different things, making sure to pick free ones. Download the file, open it in Photopea, and change the character's color to white. To get their unique look, replace the head with a simple white circle. Start by adding a black background in Photopea to make it easier to see. Then, erase the head of the character, add a new layer, and draw a white circle. Hold Shift. To make it truly yours, you can put a small picture inside the circle head, like a nail picture you made with Image FX. Bring it into Photopea, get rid of its background and put it in the middle of the circle. Then, hide the black background and save your character picture as a PNG. Don't worry, all these character parts and other helpful things will be in the resource folder on our school community.
Thank you.
Putting it all together, the editing fun. Once you have your voiceover and pictures, it's time to edit your video. CapCut is a popular choice, but you can use Premiere Pro or any other editor you're comfortable with. Getting started, setup and backgrounds. First, put all your voiceover files and pictures into your editor. Drag your voiceover clips to the timeline and cut out any long silences so the talking flows smoothly. Set your video size to 16:9 widescreen. Next, add a background. Animated grid backgrounds are common, and you can find many on Vectisy. Bring in your background, add it to your timeline, and copy it as many times as needed to fill your video. If the background has music, just remove it. Adding words and pictures. While you'd usually add pictures before words, you can do it backward for this type of video. Use your editor's auto caption feature, like CapCut's text auto captions generate. Once they're made, uncheck apply to all so you can change each one. Bring in your first picture and make it a bit bigger. Pick its caption, change the text, maybe make it all caps, and choose a style if you want. If you prefer to do it yourself, delete the auto captions, add a basic text box, make it look how you want, and put it where you need it.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Making it pop. Movement and effects. Add a fade-in animation for your first picture and set how long it lasts. You can also add your character picture, place it well, and add text on top for important points. To swap characters, just drag a new character picture over the old one. Keep adding text as you go through your video. To make your pictures move, use the rebound swing effect. You'll find it under Effects. Play with how fast and big it is. For text, you'll need to group it together. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip before adding effects. If you want smooth changes between pictures, also group those layers into a compound clip. And hey, you can even add a soft glow to your pictures by making it less bright. Using the auto caption text can really help when you want words to appear on screen. For moving pictures around, use keyframes. Set a keyframe where you want something to start, then move ahead in the video and drag the item to its new spot. This makes it move smoothly. Keep arranging all your pictures and text until you're done.
Yes, sir.
The final touches, sound and saving. Pick all your background clips and group them together. Make them a little see-through so they don't distract from your main content. Add some background music from a free music site or YouTube's audio library, and turn down the sound if it's too loud. Finally, add sound effects, like a whoosh sound for when characters move. You can usually find these in your editor's sound effects library. Once everything looks great, save your video in 1080p, 2K, or 4K quality. Oh, and for extra goodies like unedited video clips and cool thumbnail ideas, think about joining my free community.